Chrome snake on the frame, crawl through the grid. Green on the dash and I'm gone before they blink. Phone on the bars, lens on the live. If I catch that corner, then I cut through the night. I got a loop in my pocket, got a story in the air.
All right.
Every block got a secret.
What we have here is my
and I'm filming it right there.
Moto Throne Serpent.
Serpent.
We're gonna do a little brake upgrade. This is the upgraded brake system from E-Bike Garage, the Saran version, the double brake caliber, heavy duty handle, and what do we got here? We got a 220mm rear rotor. With that being said, have to do a little disassembling. So I noticed we got about 2, 4, 6 little bolts right there, 2 on the handle piece right here, and then this rear wheel needs to be disassembled as well. So with that being said, I think I'll tackle the rear wheel first, and then work my way around. Oh, I just noticed there's some framing in here as well, because we're going to need to run this brake line through the frame. You see how it comes attached already? So let's get that done. On
the live. If I catch that corner, then I cut through the night. I got a loop in my pocket, got a story in the air. Every block got a secret, and I'm filming it right there. Serpent ride, slide on by. My moto in the city got the whole block in the frame. Serpent ride, I don't hide. If you see me rolling past you, you can say my name. Bus stop faces, tailgate heat, window reflections on a one-way street. I post that turn, I post that grin. I make a little movie, then I roll again. Concrete shining through the Sunday dust. Every red light moment turned into a mud. Serpent ride, slide on by. My moto in the city got the whole block in the frame. Serpent ride, I don't hide. If you see me rolling past you, you can say my name. From the rail yard to the square, I'm right
yeah, I don't
there.
think I'm making it down there.
I'm right there, one take, no scare. Tell the truth, let it stay.
With a 6-bolt pattern.
Ride, slide on by. My moto in the city got the whole block in the frame. Serpent ride, I don't hide. If you see me rolling past you, you can say my name.
With a few adjustments, we got the old brake lever out and the cable. I'm not disconnecting this one. I don't feel like going through the whole brake adjustment thing. So the cable is ran through the frame like that for now. Make a couple adjustments here and there. Blase blah. Alright, so long story short, we got the foot brake assembled for the most part without the brake line. The master cylinder, the upgrade I was going to do, which is this one right here, is not going to fit the bolt pattern on the brake. So we're gonna have to keep the original. If I wanted to get crazy, I can grind this down a little bit, this corner, and make it work, but that's a whole nother video. In the meantime, let's disassemble the pegs off of the old foot stand. And what you doing, little girl? And keep it moving. All right, so long story short, we got the foot brake hooked up, the new pedals with the original master cylinder it came with for that brake, that foot brake, and then we got the rear handbrake. This is the dual big brake kit Ceron on the Throne Serpent. So the hardest part about this was, I don't want to say nothing really hard, but disconnecting these brakes and running it through the frame was the most work we're going to do. We got the 220 rotor on there with the rotor guard and the dual brakes on the Throne Serpent. Actually works pretty good. Alright, so here's the foot brake. The foot brake actually needs to be bled just a little bit more. You need to bleed it just a little bit more. Ready? So it does stop. And now this is the handbrake. This thing works perfect. That thing stops you dead on arrival. And now my front brake barely works. That always happens when you change the brakes. Always got to change both sets. Well, in this case, all 3 sets. But I'm just glad it worked. Just got to adjust it a little bit. Not bad at all. All right, let's kick it up a little bit.
Got a story in there. Every block got a secret, and I'm filming it right there. Serpent.